aerial satellites. They are produced by Britain and launched by NASA in the United States. And they are going into space, and they're trying to making research and discoveries and observing what is happening in the outer atmosphere of the Earth. And they're trying to do X-ray astronomy. So they're trying to see what's happening out there in space, but based on X-rays. There are different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Now there's microwaves, and then there are infrared, and then there's the visible light. And radio waves, microwaves, infrared, the visible light, and then there are ultraviolet light, and then X-rays, and then the gamma rays. And these X-rays, they are also out there in space, just like normal light. And we're trying to get it, but these X-rays don't pass down to the Earth. They are filtered out by the big atmosphere with all the air in it. So they're going up with satellites, with these aerial satellites, for example, up into space a bit above the atmosphere of the Earth, and then we can measure these X-rays. For example, one thing which might be a source of these X-rays, which we find from time to time, could be a double star system. And there would be gas from going from one to one, is something said in this book here, and then a black hole or neutron star, something interacting on it to make it actually happen that X-rays are emitted. So the point is, they're having these aerial satellites out there above the atmosphere of the Earth in space, so that they can measure from there X-rays which are happening in space, because these X-rays would not enter down to the Earth's ground. They are launched since 1962. And that is according to the Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 1, Part 1, Structure of the Universe, written by Ian Ridpath and John R. Shakeshift on the page 40.